I'm making Halloween bookends. Here's what you're gonna need for it. The piece of wood cut in half, black and gold spray paint, a plastic skull head from the dollar store, wood glue, masking tape, and a glue gun. Okay, so for this first part, you can use scrap wood. You can go to the store and buy some wood. Mine are about 8 inches each. I cut mine from a wood plaque that I got on Amazon. I literally just took the wood plaque, cut it in half, and then I mitered the edges so that when they were put together, it would look super seamless. And the whole idea is to go like this. So I only mitered mine because it's got this sort of like fancy little profile on the edges. If you have 2 pieces of wood that are just straight and flat, just cut them straight and stick one on top of the other. So let me show you how I'm gonna put these 2 pieces of wood together. I'm gonna take a piece of painter's tape and stick it right in the middle of my table, and I'm gonna stick one board on one side of the tape, and then I'm gonna line the other board up with the first one, just like that, and stick it on the tape. Then I'll just add some wood glue in between the boards. And then I'll just pick up both sides of my board like this, bring that joint together, and the glue is gonna smush out. That's totally fine. But then the tape is already holding the 2 pieces of wood together. And then I'll just clean the wood glue up with my finger, a little paper towel. And then once all the glue is cleaned off, I'll just use the tape to sort of clamp those together like this. And then I'll just wait for it to dry. And once this glue is dry, I'll take it outside and spray paint it. Boom, done. And while I was outside painting that black, I also painted this gold. I've got my wood pieces and my skull head, and now I just need to hook them together. So I'll just glue the bottom of the skull with a little bit of hot glue, and then stick them on the wood pieces, and voila! How cute is that? I love how inexpensive this project was and really how pretty it turned out. And if you didn't want to make 2, one of them by itself is actually still really pretty. It looks like a skull on a tombstone. Thanks for watching, everybody else. See you tomorrow. So many hard things. I just can't do this.
Like putting yogurt in your vagina?